Hello, I'm back again, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to draw a fashion croquis with the head tilting backward. So this is the face of a fashion croquis with the head tilting backward. So let's dive into the teaching. I'm going to be drawing a spherical shape like this. Just as we've been doing, then we're drawing a line dividing the circle upwards, right? So you're going to be dividing this also. Make sure that you have the same proportion on the left hand and on the right hand side. Alright, so for the face tilting backwards, we're going to be curving up. Right? I'm going to be curving up. So, and for the nose should be at the middle of this, of the second half, and it's also going to be tilting up like this. Alright, so this is the nose should be we'll do something like this for the nose, then the V in the middle, and for the mouth we have a V already. I know you can still remember how that was done in previous videos. I hope you can still remember them. If not, please go check them out. Right, so just follow me. There's also a V in the middle here, right? There's a V here. Alright, so the face, on the face you're going to be drawing a curve tilting upwards too. But before then, let's check out the width of the face. Right, so this is the width of the face. I'm drawing something like this for the face. So the downward part will be flat. Forget your U. The brow will be straight up. It will be straight. The brow will be straight. Right? Yep. So when you have that, let's do the chin. This should be the, yes, this is the chin. Just give it that. So you have your face join the chin, and the face here also join the chin. So you have a very sharp chin. At the end of the day, you have a very sharp chin. But for the backward view, you show less of forehead and less of hairlines, right? So less of foreheads, less of So let's clean all unwanted lines. Alright, so let's make the line more visible now. If you're a professional, most times you don't need all these lines, but because we are teaching, we need to show these lines, right? Because when you are rubbing off most times, it makes the work dirty. and I really don't like dirty heart look of my work. So you don't want to shade too much. So right. All right. So I'm going to be making it more pronounced by using my ink pen. So yeah, see what I did there? I draw a sphere. Alright, so you shape this part of the mouth. When you do that, you have this. Right? Now, this is the the first two thin backward. Now you see a pronounced chin. You see less of the forehead, and you see the eyebrow straight. So these are the features of the face tilting backwards. Tilting backwards. All right. Thank you for joining me today. See you next time. See you next time. I hope we have a way of seeing your project. I have a way of correcting them if there's need for that, and I hope subsequently we have a community where you can, bring on whatever you've done, and we look through it and give you adequate correction. All right. See you next time. Bye bye.